I'm scared. We going in this time, baby. You ready? Are you ready? She ain't ready, but she ain't got no choice. Somebody come get this off of me. Hey y'all, it's Olive Destiny. So listen, I ordered a waxing kit off of Amazon. I'll have a link for you all down below. But why did I think it was a good idea to attempt waxing at home by myself? Nevertheless, here we are. First, let's open the kit and see what we have inside. We got some gloves. I'm gonna open my waxing kit. It's time. I've been procrastinating using it, and today is that day. Yes, sir. Is my camera being focused without being crispy without a ring light on for me? I'm gonna shower up and then I'm gonna use my waxing kit and see how far I can go. Turn on a half an hour before the procedure. Oh snaps, there's two more stashed away in here. My sister is like, girl, you finna do that yourself. You gonna injure yourself. I said, I be watching people do it online. Okay, got that in. Plug her up. They say time heals. Alright. It made a sound. Press the solid can button first. Ah, it must be touched. Okay, I'm pressing it hard. Ghetto, she ain't used to nothing. The start indicator light will be on. This means the heating process. Ah, okay. The temperature will reach 257 for solid, 275 for canned. I'm scared! Ooh, that sounds good. I'm gonna put in 2. Oh, that's a lot. And let it warm up. Okay, so I'm gonna take a shower while I wait, guys. I ain't a professional, I'm just filming it. It's my first time. I just thought y'all would enjoy the content. Alright, I think it's been probably about 30 minutes. Ooh. Okay, so recommended is anywhere from 150 to 160. 155. Let's do 155. Oh, I'm scared! I know it's too hot right now. I've seen people wax before and they don't just go straight in once it's done melting. So I'm gonna wait a minute. I don't know how to get that out. Like, it's like deep in there. They say time heals. Don't go build a life without me, because you mine still. You mine still. See, look. They say time heals. Don't go build a life without me. Don't use a knife at home, kids, because you mine still. You mine still. I wish that we could change places. Don't go build a life without me. I guess me knowing that I'm taking my robe off and I only got on my shirt right now, I just got a little hesitant, like y'all can see, and I know y'all can't see. Oh, it's a girl thing, I guess. But no, like when I'm in a rush to go somewhere, if you're wearing like a tank top, I've been having this kit, but I was like, yeah, and I'll just grab my razor and go ahead and get the hair out. I was letting it grow out for the sake of this video, but I've been getting rid of it, so I don't have hair right there right now. But I'm just gonna see how far I can go. I guess I'm gonna try to do the top and talk to y'all while I do it. I've seen people do this kind of video where obviously I know you can't see, but let me get the ring light. I'm nervous. First off, I'm gonna put my thing back on because I'm trying to be snatched. This is from Amazon. The first time I bought one of these, I didn't tell y'all about it. I didn't want to give an update until I'd be ready to give an update, and I know y'all be like, oh, what's that? And then 2 days later, y'all be like, how are you liking it? And I don't be having an update yet, but I'm wearing this. I don't wear it every day like I should. It depends on my hair. If my hair is in a high puff, I don't be putting it on. It's supposed to just snatch your double chin. The gloves. No glove. No love. They say time heals. Don't go build a life without me, because you mine still. You mine still. I hope these don't rip through my nails because they're pointy. But y'all just saw, because I'm going to put all of this in the same video. I wish that we could change places. I don't know the rest. Okay, so we're just going to follow the instructions. Use the pre-wax spray to cleanse your skin before waxing. So I'm just going to spray it, and then it says to dry your skin with the tissue, so I grab some tissue. I'm just going to wipe. I'm scared! If you still watching, type in the comments and say, I'm scared! A lot of the phrases I say, I get them from Boom. But that's what she say. If y'all saw her Smash or Pass video, she was like, I'm scared. Oh, so the way I sprayed it down there, this sprayed the area, more than one spray, obviously. And then I just wiped. Alrighty, I'm not a professional. This is not a tutorial. Y'all just gonna watch me do it. You're not gonna watch me do it. You're about to watch me react to me doing it. I'm scared! Shit! Why I be saying that? Shit! Where I get that from? Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit. Spin it around like a pro, right? Like that there. Girl, I'm scared. I put nair on my arms recently too, so I ain't even got no hair right there. Oh, it's warm enough. Okay. I think you have to create a little lip. That's a lot. And I guess you could leave it like that. And then you let it sit. I ain't no hair right here because I already took my hair off with nair. Y'all like, why you waxing then if you ain't got no hair? Girl, I can't even take it off my arm. I can't even take it off my arm. I'm scared. What I'm doing. Girl, let me go schedule an appointment. I'm still gonna schedule an appointment regardless, but for content, for entertainment, you know. Okay, let me think about somebody that pissed me off. Piss me off. Let me think about, oh, what I'm gonna think about. Negative comments. Da da da, woo woo, blah blah blah. She this, she that, blah blah blah. That's like me inflicting pain on myself, huh? Okay, I ain't no hair right there, so it didn't do anything. But we not finna waste nothing because we going in this time, baby. You ready? Are you ready? She ain't ready, but she ain't got no choice. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit because I gotta keep in mind, whatever I put on, I can't even take it off, girl. Alright, I'm gonna do a real small amount. Let's do it. Rub down like that. Girl, it's getting bigger. Don't make it that big. What you doing? Okay. And then you gotta wait a minute. Oh, I'm scared. What'd I just do? How I take it off if I change my mind? Oh, I can't go back. I'm scared. I'm scared. See, that's why I ain't scheduled no appointment, because I know ain't nobody got time to put up with this. Somebody come get this off of me. I'm scared. Girl, I'm scared. Did I put on deodorant? Hold on, because I'm sweating. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I can't do it. Okay, do it. You got another choice, sis. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh, I'm scared. Why do this? Somebody. Oh, it's finna hurt. Okay. Don't be typing in the comments, just rip it. Don't even type just rip it in the comments until you did this. If you done this yourself before, you're allowed to type this. Girl, that's easier said than done. First off, one. Okay, I'm gonna pull it down like this, right? Never mind, this ain't no tutorial. I'm gonna just pull it tight. Jesus. Okay, come on, come on. 1, 2, don't count. Why would you count? I just lifted it up a little bit. Oh, it hurt. Oh, wait. Oh. All right, you gotta do it. Come on, come on, come on. Give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. This me ripping it, assuming you just gave the video a thumbs up. 1, 2, don't count. Shucks, girl, I can't do this. Why I do this? 1, don't count. Shut up. I just stood up. I gotta edit it out. Oh! Oh! That's all he got. This is not a chit chat. Y'all can't send me no questions while I wax or nothing. Don't even be getting no idea. Oh, this you should do. If you live in Memphis, just tell me where you go. Just do that. That's all I need. I'm kidding, because my friend Jerica already screenshotted her waxing girl's Instagram to me. And I just didn't book no appointment because I'm scared. I don't know her. I can't. How you bust it open in front of somebody you don't know? Bust it. Oops. Girl, I just touched it with the glove. Oh, if you let it dry, it'll just come off. Okay, cool. Alright, so I'm going kind of to the side a little bit now. I'm going to try to rip it. Rip it. Girl, why I take the popsicle stick off? How am I going to get that up now? Alright, here we go. Finna do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's like it's getting it, but ain't getting all of it. Because I keep getting scared. I was watching Sunny. She said she basically breaks hers in half. Let me not quote Sunny, and she probably didn't say that. I was watching somebody, and they said they break theirs in half, basically. You're not wasting any of your sticks. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish this, obviously. Okay, so I just rubbed it on again. I keep making these things huge like I'm just 10 years in the game. Now I gotta edit it out. The fact that I just cracked a religious joke. But I was just thinking about what's love got to do with it. Angela Bassett, Tina Turner. That's what I hate about the internet. You gotta be so, I would say you gotta be so sensitive to people's feelings, because the older I get, I don't be caring, because that way I was raised. My mom used to tell us, you leave your feelings on the doorstep. Like, don't go out thinking somebody's supposed to protect your feelings and guard that. It's your responsibility to protect your heart, to protect your feelings. I don't know. Social media make people too sensitive. People will rather request that someone not post a certain thing so that you could tend to my sensitivities, versus you just unfollowing that person if you're the one that can't handle it. Why are people like that? I don't follow nobody that triggers me. Nobody that I don't like. Nobody that, I don't know, it's just weird. Let's just rip. Ah, rippy real good. Okay, come on. You ready? You ready? No? I ain't never ready. Why I think because I'm a DIYer, because I do my own hair, my own nails, my own pedicures, that I can wax myself. I just done took it too far at this point. Girl, you done took it too far. When I get a wax girl, she ain't going nowhere. We in this relationship forever. Because I ain't going to be opening my legs for everybody. Okay, here we go. Where my sister? I should have asked her to help me. Do y'all think it's weird if a person would ask their sister to help? What I think is weird is going to a stranger. I watched like the Kardashians, they helped each other once. Or was that? Yeah, I don't know. Come on, Destiny, you trying to style, sis. Pull. I ain't got no lip this time. Shucks! 1, 2, 3. Why you ain't looking? Don't look. Can I look? How you doing and I look? I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, 1, 2.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I'm ripping it. I'm scared! Sheesh! 2, this is the last one, because I'm done doing this. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Girl, that was a bad one. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. It hurt. 1, 2. I need to get this off here. I can't do this. She's touching all of her things and she's trying to wax her vagina. Oh my God, she's so dirty. Now I said it, you don't have to. Stop typing. By the time y'all see this, it's days gone. Ain't nobody picking up. Nobody don't love me. Nobody don't never pick up the phone for me. Then you post a cute picture on the Instagram and everybody want to get active. Stay inactive. Don't call me now. Don't DM me now. Don't slide now. They love trying to slide. Don't slide now. Now you see me looking good. You want to slide.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This ain't for me. This ain't for me. This ain't for me, baby. This ain't for me. No, sir. No, sir. Shit. Look, I got hair on my leg. Girl, this ain't for me. I'm sweating. Oh, I can't do it. This concludes this video, baby. Shout out to y'all, baby. This ain't for the week. I've done a lot of things with it after spray, but this ain't it. This ain't for me. I just can't do it. Listen to your heart, girl, you know we should be apart, but baby, I just can't do it. Makes me wanna cry.
Do you hear me crying?
Yeah. Subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, because this ain't for me. Can you hear me crying? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna link this down below. It's on Amazon. Can you hear me crying? Girl, let me go. That's 18 minutes worth of content. Girl, it's 1 o'clock. I ain't got nothing done. Bye, y'all.